These are the 12 levels of organization of living things, whether you are studying for an exam or you are a biology enthusiast. The first level of organization is the atom, followed by molecule, then organelles, cells, tissues, organs, organ system, organisms, population, community, ecosystem, and biosphere. The atom is the smallest, most fundamental unit of matter. It retains the properties of an element and consists of a nucleus surrounded by electrons. Atoms form molecules. Molecules, on the other hand, are chemical structures made of at least two atoms that are held together by one or more chemical bonds. Molecules of biological importance are the macromolecules, such as carbohydrates and proteins. The third level is organelles. These are small structures existing inside cells and performing specific functions. For example, mitochondria, ribosomes, and many others. Cells are the smallest fundamental units of life and are classified as either prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Prokaryotes are single-celled. They lack membrane-bound nuclei and lack membrane-bound organelles. In contrast, eukaryotes have membrane-bound nucleus, and they also have membrane-bound organelles. The level that follows cells is tissues. Tissues are groups of similar cells carrying out the same function or related functions. For example, the adipose tissue located underneath the skin that insulates the body. Organs are groups of tissues performing similar functions. They are present in both plants and animals. Examples of organs in plants include leaves and flowers. And examples of organs in animals include heart and liver. The next level is the organ system. This refers to a system of organs with related functions. For example, the circulatory system in mammals, which consists of the heart and blood vessels. Together, organ systems form an organism. This is an individual living entity. For example, a tree in a forest is an organism. Eukaryotes and prokaryotes are also organisms. Organisms make up a population. By definition, a population refers to all individuals of a particular species living in a specific area. For example, a forest containing many mango trees makes up a population of mango trees in the forest. All giraffes in a forest make up a population of giraffes in the forest, and so on. Many populations living in a particular area make up a community. An example of a community would be all types of trees, animals, insects, and other species living in the forest. The next level is the ecosystem. This refers to all living and non-living things in a particular area. It includes all parts of the environment, such as the soil, gases, and other components in that area. For example, all living and non-living things in the forest. Lastly, we have the biosphere as the highest level of organization. This refers to the sum of all ecosystems and is made up of the atmosphere, all the land and water covering the earth. In summary, today, we looked at the 12 levels of organization of living things, starting from the tiniest building block of life to the largest system on Earth. We began with atoms and molecules, moved into organelles and cells, then explored how tissues, organs, and organ systems work together to form an organism. From there, we zoomed out to see how organisms interact in populations, communities, ecosystems, and finally the biosphere, where all life exists. If you found this video helpful, check out our other videos.